Is your Vizio soundbar suddenly not working? No sound, not connecting? Don't toss it out yet, I've got you covered. These quick steps work for any Vizio soundbar model, and they'll fix most of the common issues in just a few minutes. Let's start with a soft reset. Super simple and often all you need to get things working again. Turn off your soundbar. Unplug the power cord from the wall. Now press and hold the power button on the soundbar for 30 seconds. Then, plug it back in and power it on. Give it a test. If that fixed the problem, awesome. If not, we'll go a little deeper with a hard reset. Alright, let's try a hard reset. This fully restores your soundbar to factory settings, perfect for clearing out any stubborn glitches. Make sure your soundbar is turned on. Now press and hold the volume down and Bluetooth buttons at the same time. Keep holding for at least 5 seconds until all the LED lights flash 3 times. That flashing light means the reset worked. Just keep in mind, you'll have to repair or adjust any custom settings afterward. And that's it. These steps work across all Vizio soundbars, so whether it's a newer model or an older one, you're good to go. Thanks for watching and good luck with your setup.